Good morning, paper engineers in training. I wanted to show you some of these micro machines because this is the amazing stuff that you can do with recycled paper. Doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't. And here's the whole thing. Once you learn how to do this stuff, you can make anything. I started with that broken down Falcon out there on the end right there. They called him Patch because they blew him up and had to patch him on another world with nothing. So anyway, there is all the things you can do. You can make anything you want. A bronze membership is $2.98 a month. If you get a bronze membership, you can learn the tutorials and start doing all kinds of cool stuff like this. Okay? So, anyway, you guys, take care. I love you all very, very much. I think you're fantastic human beings. We need to save the human race. Otherwise, we might go extinct. That would be sad. But anyway, you guys, take care. I'll be live at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Salute.